Today, let's test an AI fabric inspection machine customized for an Indian customer, based on their production needs. It features customized add-ons such as defect marking, weighing, and cutting capabilities. The machine supports various fabric feeding and discharge methods to align with actual production workflows. Its automated operation delivers 3-4 times the efficiency of manual inspection. Equipped with high-definition industrial cameras, it accurately detects defects as small as 0.1 millimeters, achieving an accuracy rate of over 90%. It includes a defect marking function that automatically marks defects upon detection. It automatically generates defect maps and reports, enabling efficient and convenient quality traceability. The machine features an integrated weighing function and can connect to systems like ERP to facilitate digital management. Customized cutting capabilities enable fully automated cutting, optimizing production workflows, and boosting efficiency. You are welcome to visit our factory to inspect the machine. Please follow us or contact us for more information.